Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, guys. This one, I'm going to show you how to create or how to convert a PDF file to Word. And the reason why I'm making this tutorial is because it requires no software. If you don't have the software, or you do have the software, but you're getting a garbledy-gook type, a really janky output, I'll show you how to do this the easy way, the free way. You want to go to ilovepdf.com. By the way, I'm not affiliated with these guys. Don't know who they are, don't care. It's just free software you don't have to pay for. So let's just get right in. The first thing you want to do is you go to the website. Second thing, you want to select PDF file. Left click on that bad boy. Now you want to find your PDF. So I've got one called Web Dev Syllabus here. So I've got the PDF and I click open. It puts it in here. Beautiful. Now at the bottom right, it allows me to convert to Word. Obviously you click on this. I Love PDF is converting to Word. Done. Now you guys can just click download Word and then let's see what we got. Now here's the file output that it made. I'm going to show it in Finder and I'm going to open it. You're going to notice that it did say .docx. So it is done right. When I double clicked on it, it opens in Word, guys. Free, fast, 90 seconds. You don't need any fancy software. You don't need any subscriptions. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I got a lot more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.